Alumina from Allen's keynotes, pure clay. Adapted to persons who suffer from chronic diseases, the aconite of chronic diseases. Constitutions deficient in animal heat, Calcarea silicia. Spare, dry, thin subjects, dark complexion, mild, cheerful disposition, hypochondriacs, dry, tottery, itching, eruption, worse in winter. Intolerable itching of whole body, when getting warm in bed, scratches until bleeds, then becomes painful. Time passes too slowly, an hour seems half a day. Cannabis indica. Inability to walk except with the eyes open and in the daytime. Tottering and falling when closing eyes. Tottering here means unsteady or shaking. Abnormal appetite, craving for starch, chalk, charcoal, cloves, coffee or tea grounds, acids and indigestible things. Potatoes disagree. Chronic irritations for years, worse in evening. All irritating things, salt, wine, vinegar, pepper, immediately produce cough. Constipation, no desire for and no ability to pass stool until there is a large accumulation. Great straining must grasp the seat of closet tightly. Stool hard, knotty, like laurel berries covered with mucus or soft clay adhering to parts. Inactivity of rectum. Even soft stool requires great straining. Constipation of nursing children from artificial food, bottle fed babies, of old people, of pregnancy from inactive rectum. Diarrhea when she urinates. Has to strain at stool in order to urinate. Leukorrhea, acrid and profuse, running down to the heels. Worst during the daytime, amelioration by cold bathing. After menses, exhausted physically and mentally, scarcely able to speak. Talking fatigues, faint and tired, must sit down. Relations complementary to Bryonia follows Bryonia lachesis sulfur. Alumina is the chronic of Bryonia. Similar to Baryta carp conium in ailments of old people. Aggravation in cold air during winter while sitting from eating potatoes after eating soups on alternate days at new and full moon. Amelioration, mild summer weather from warm drinks while eating in wet weather. Alumina is one of the chief antidotes for lead poisoning, Penter's colic ailments from lead. Alumina from Boric materia medica, oxide of aluminium argilla. A very general condition corresponding to this drug is dryness of mucous membranes and skin and tendency to paretic muscular states. Old people with lack of vital heat or prematurely old with debility, sluggish functions, heaviness, numbness and staggering and the characteristic constipation find an excellent remedy in alumina. Disposition to colds in the head and irritations in spare, dry, thin subjects, delicate children, products of artificial baby foods. Mind. Low spirited, fears, loss of reason, confused as to personal identity, hasty, hurried, time passes slowly, variable mood, better as day advances, suicidal tendency when seeing knife or blood. Head. Stitching, burning pain in head with vertigo, worse in morning but relieved by food. Pressure in forehead as from a tight hat. Inability to walk except with eyes open. Throbbing headache with constipation, vertigo with nausea, better after breakfast. Falling out of hair, scalp itches and is numb. Eyes. Objects look yellow, eyes feels cold, lids dry, burnt, smart, thickened, aggravated in morning, chronic conjunctivitis, ptosis, strabismus. Ears. Humming, roaring, eustachian tube feels plugged. Nose. Pain at root of nose, sense of smell diminished, fluent coryza, point of nose cracked, nostrils sore, red, worse touch, scabs with thick yellow mucus, statuary redness, Uzena atrophica sicca, membranes distended and boggy. Face. Feels as if aluminous substance had dried on it, blood, oil, boils and pimples, twitching of lower jaw, rush of blood to face after eating. Mouth. Sore, bad odor from it, teeth covered with sawdust, gums sore, bleeding, tensive pain in articulation of jaw when opening mouth or chewing, throat, dry, sore, food cannot pass, esophagus contracted, feels as if splinter or plug were in throat, irritable and relaxed throat, looks parched and glazed, clergyman's sore throat in thin subjects, thick tenacious mucus drops from posterior nares, constant inclination to clear the throat. Stomach, abnormal cravings, chalk, charcoal, dry, tea grounds, heartburn, feels constricted, aversion to meat. Potatoes disagree, no desire to eat, can swallow but small morsels at a time. Constriction of esophagus, abdomen, colic like Penter's colic, pressing in both groins toward sexual organs, left sided abdominal complaints. Stool, hard, dry, knotty, no desire, rectum sore, dry, inflamed, bleeding, itching and burning at anus. Even a soft stool is passed with difficulty, great straining, constipation of infants and old people from inactive rectum, and in women of very sedentary habit, diarrhea on urinating, evacuation preceded by painful urging long before stool and then straining at stool. Urine. Muscles of bladder parietic must strain at stool in order to urinate. Pain in kidneys with mental confusion. Frequent desire to urinate in old people. Difficult starting. Male. Excessive desire. Involuntary emissions when straining at stool. Prostatic discharge. Female. Menses too early, short, scanty, pale, followed by great exhaustion. Leukorrhea, acrid, profuse, transparent, ropey with burning, worse during daytime and after menses, relieved by washing with cold water. Respiratory, cough soon after waking in the morning, hoarse, aphonia, tickling in larynx, wheezing, rattling respiration, cough on talking or singing in the morning, chest feels constricted, condiments produce cough, talking aggravates soreness of chest. Back, stitches, gnawing pain as if from hot iron, pain along cord with paralytic weakness. Extremities, pain in arm and fingers as if hot iron penetrated. Arms feel paralyzed, legs feel asleep, especially when sitting with legs crossed, staggers on walking. Heels feel numb, soles tender on stepping, feel soft and swollen, pain in shoulder and upper arm, gnawing beneath fingernails, brittle nails, inability to walk except when eyes are open or in daytime, spinal degenerations and paralysis of lower limbs. Sleep, restless, anxious and confused dreams, sleepy in morning. Skin, chapped and dry, tattery, brittle nails, intolerable itching when getting warm in bed. Must scratch until it bleeds, then becomes painful, brittle skin on fingers. Modalities, worse periodically in afternoon from potatoes, worse in morning on awaking, warm room. Better in open air from cold washing in evening and on alternate days. Better damp weather. Complementary to bryonia, antidotes ipecac and chamomilla. Dose 6th to 30th and higher. Action slow in developing.